Hey, birthday babe. So I'm back with another banger. I'm about to do a rolling tray today. With this mode. Yes, another one. And yeah, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, hit them bell notifications so you'll know when I post these bangers. You feel me? And let's get to it. And don't mind my hair. Look, I'm a mom. It's quarantine. What reason do I have to do my hair? Like, it's in a little, But yeah, don't mind my hair. So I have my part A and part B. I have my stirring sticks, my molds, my gloves, what I'm gonna measure with. Don't mind my makeshift measuring cups, but they work. And yeah, let's get into pouring. You guys should already know that you have to put 1-to-1 ratio of A and B. So this, I believe, is 3/4 of a cup. So you would put 3/4 of a cup of A and 3/4 of a cup of B, and make sure they're equal, or your stuff will not cure right. This part I just fast forwarded because I'm pouring the resin, and I'm gonna pour like 5 of these of each because yeah, I just want to make sure I have enough resin, so don't mind this part of me pouring and pouring because I've learned that I don't feel like making more than one batch, so I make a little bit extra every time. And yeah, just watch me pour. So I'm back and I'm done mixing. Um, so I have 4 of these right here. So I actually have this mold right here for if I have any epoxy left over, but for now I'm gonna move it out the way. And I'm gonna turn this sideways. Put this right here, this right here. And I'm gonna separate this equally. So now I'm gonna add my pigment. So first, wait, no, actually, let me put this on both of these. Let me put it in. So this is an order for my grandma. So I'm gonna go ahead and just, her name is Vicky. So I'm gonna throw in a keychain. I like to throw in extra stuff in my orders. I'm gonna put white. And these are kind of like gold flakes, but they're not gold shard. I mean pink shards. They're so beautiful. This turned out a little bit more pinker than I thought it would. So I'm gonna add a little bit more white because I didn't want it that color. Well, that's just a light pink. Whatever. And then for this one, I'm gonna do gold. Well, this is golden. It's gold, I guess, kind of. I'll mix the color in first. That's what I think I need to start doing. So that's golden, as you can see. So I'm gonna add some gold. And this glitter, just a little bit. I need my eyes. Oh shoot. Not very much. But it really kind of me. So I think I can have that. At least I know what to do. That's really cute. And I'm just like, I'm just like, yeah. Oh yeah, this is better. Okay. This one is this. Just a little bit. Just a little bit. And I got this one. Oh, it's gonna be so cute. That's a pink. This last one, this pink. See what this one is. And this one. This is beautiful. This is this one. This is this one. That's this pink. And that's this pink. Guys. anything. I need to take a picture. Then you want to go back and blow dry or torch your tray to get all the bubbles out. So it's the next day, and this is what it looked like. I'm gonna take it out now. I normally will wait a little bit longer, but I have a gift I'm trying to make, so I'm gonna take it out now. And I'm gonna let it dry outside of the mold, which you could do after about I would say about 16 to 20 hours. But yeah. So right now it's gonna be a little bendy because it's not all the way cured. Well, it's actually a lot of bendy because I've never taken it out this early. But and I wouldn't be as rough as me. But this is what it looks like. And you just I just put a lot of gold flakes inside. So you just take it off. But I'm gonna really actually leave this alone for a little while because it's not even nowhere near ready. But once again, it goes to back.